2004 Subaru Forester 2.5X. I've been having an issue with this clock backlight. It also doesn't hold the time for some reason. So I want to see what I can do about the light bulb for now, and then figure out why the time keeps going slow or fast. So this here, it's is your in-dash compartment, storage compartment. This does not have any screws. However, to remove it, you just gotta grab it from here and just pull very hard, and it'll eventually loosen the clips or unclip itself there. So then we gotta remove this harness. Close this for now, I guess. I should be able to. Remove that. I should undo the whole clock to see if there's a battery in there. All right, so I'm gonna remove this harness. Now this is totally free. Got 2 screws, one on each side. And it's got some tabs if you want to remove this housing, which I'm going to do. And you can't undo the clips that hold the housing unless you remove the screws. The clock comes out, and you got to reopen if you close the compartment, you got to reopen it so that the fascia, clock fascia, comes off. There's no power, so that tells me that the clock gets power from here. Well, there might be a battery in there, so we'll open it up. Okay, so the clock has been removed. It's been unclipped, and these buttons here, careful you don't lose any of these buttons. They do come out fairly easy. Right, so that's that. And apparently there is no battery here. Huh. All right, well, since I'm here, I guess I'll remove the light bulb. Bummer. I thought there'd be a battery here to easily replace, but nope. I went ahead and replaced the bulb. 2723 is the number. All right, so now we're just gonna put this back together, and hoping that the light stays on this time. Okay, putting it back in similar fashion. You gotta put the back end first after you connect the harness. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, clips are set. So we're just gonna give it a good tap. There you go. So lights are off. So it thinks it's on day, or it knows it's day. So then lights on, it dims. It wasn't doing that before. So I'm hoping that worked out. And we're gonna test the time, and See what happens.